What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I have a job here. It's the holidays and there's a lot going on, but we've got a space here. This is going to become sort of like a paint studio type space here. Got to clear it out, put some flooring down. We're going to get into it. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the year. Let's get it. I've got these sheets and stuff like that I want to put down on the floor. I'm going to think about how I'm going to arrange this, but I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting stuff on the shelves. I think I might put the desk next to the shelving, one of the shelving systems, so I can access things quicker and easier, but there's a lot of dust in here. I can't breathe properly. that was a lot of dust. I'm glad I did that because it's so much cleaner now. It's such a mess. Off by putting the spray cans on the shelves and stuff like that. So over this side here, we're going to put an easel, and then over this side here at the window, I'm going to have my desk there, my drawing desk. So there's going to be a nice open wide space to move in between, and I can get up from the desk over here, and I can go over here, and I can do my thing. So yeah, let me show you. So here's where the desk is going to go, and then here is where the easel's going to go. So I'm going to put some more flooring down. Yeah, get it set up. Get it nice and cozy. Let's go. So there's just one last thing I need to do, which is just out the door here, so that I can enter from the house. I don't have to go all the way around to these back doors. Here, let me show you. So just down here, this is our back door here. Entry, as you can see from the house, but I've got this rose bush just growing over my steps. So I've got to cut that back and clear it up, just make a bit of easier access. So I can actually enter from this side and have all the light coming through and stuff. It's done. Well, I'm really happy with that. I really like it. Especially now that I got that back janky door working. I mean, it's still janky, but... What do you think? This is it so far. I haven't put anything up on the wall or anything like that yet, but we'll get there. I'm seriously thinking about doing the barn door. Like, seriously thinking about doing it, but I might get in trouble. Yeah, what do you think? This is my new studio, ladies and gentlemen. My studio/garden shed. It's a little creepy, a little eerie, but it's really comfortable. I think my ceiling's falling apart a little bit and all that, but compared to what I used to have and what I've had in the past, I'm really, really happy with this. I'm really happy with this. So, yeah. Happy New Year, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my new studio space. This is not the first studio of the year. This will be updated as the weeks go on. I just wanted to get a start on it. This is some holidays here in Australia, and I need something to work on, and I gotta get back to work soon. So I needed to be set up and ready to go. All right. Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2026. This year is our year. Let's do this. I love you. My name is Jordan T. Mystic. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, stay weird. I love you. Bye.